Hi everyone, I am back with Destash box number 2. It is another box of rubber stamps, as you can see. Excuse me, I have been sorting out my rubber stamps first, and so this is Destash box number 2, and this is £12 and £3 postage. That's to the UK. If anyone's interested in anywhere else in the world, I can find out how much it would cost to post. So let me show you. There's a lot of stamp sets in this bundle, so let me just show you them. So this is Joanna Sheen rubber stamps. It's got this lovely border, these lovely decorative edges. It hasn't been used, it's brand new, as you can see. You just need a block with this, so love this lacy edge. I don't know why I've not used it, but anyway, it's just sat in the box. And then I have this gorgeous Party Ladies. Look at this. Too much of a good thing is wonderful, Mae West. It's your day to shine. Shop till you drop. Believe in your dreams. If you obey all the rules, you miss all the fun. Marvellous. And it's got these lovely flapper girls and gorgeous women there. And I have never used it, so this one is brand new as well. So these are both new. Actually, I think most of these have never been used. This one, let me get a white envelope and I might be able to show it off. Oh gosh, a bit better there. Right, let me show you this one. So this is, got it the right way around, it's birthday wishes. It's got like a present, balloons, happy birthday, birthday wishes, cake, and a nice happy birthday there. So this is a lovely happy birthday stamp set. Again, never been used. And I have this, I don't think I've used this one either. Look how terrible I am. This is really cute. It's got a birdie and flowers, hearts, like a little border with happy birthday, little frame, more birds, a little frame banner with love. It's got a lovely cute little happy birthday in there as well, so that one's a new one. And then I have this baby one, and it's got all the alphabet in there, and it's got all these baby things. It's got a little baby, it's got a push chair, some safety pins, a dummy, little booties, a little trike, and this one hasn't been used either. So that's another one. Actually, there's only, I think, one that has been used in here. This one is a happy birthday. It has cactuses and flowers. It says looking sharp, just for you, new home, retirement, birthday, just for you, happy, best wishes, and you've made my day. And I've not used that one either. And then we have another birthday one. Get it around the right way. And this one I have used one stamp, as you will see. And this has got some cute little characters. And it says for someone special. And then another, the same little character. It's got the numbers for the years. Happy birthday. It's got for first, third, second, and so on. So this is a lovely happy birthday stamp set. And then the last one, you probably can't see from this, I don't know where I picked this up from, but it's got, I don't know if you can see, it's like a big high heels, a boot, these are just all lots of different shoes, lipstick and lipsticks, and I'm not sure what these say. I've never used it. I picked this one up, so they're just a lot of shoes and lipsticks, and I don't know what that actually say. I can't make it out, I'm so sorry, but there's those as well. So as you can see, there's most of these, or near enough all of these, have never been used. So they are £12 and £3 postage in the UK. If you're interested outside of the UK, message me and I'll find out how much it would cost to post them out to you. So hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. and I shall see you all very soon for more destashes, more AliExpress hauls. I have to destash to make way for all my AliExpress goodies. Oh dear goodness me. All right, lovely. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.